Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet, and on today's episode we are doing a continuation of what we did on the other last episodes. And again, we are focusing on the duck knuckles, duck knees, duck elbows, and duck toes. Doing a skin lightening, and these areas are very stubborn to even up with the rest of the body or the rest of the skin. So we have the DIYs that I've already mentioned on my previous channels, if you can check them out. And now the last part is how are you going to moisturize your hands. So you've already scrubbed, you've put something that looks like a moisturizer, or that acts like a moisturizer, and then now you're sleeping and you're going to bed and you want to have something overnight in your hands, or in your knuckles, in your knees, or your toes, or your butt, any area that is really stubborn and you can't really even it out with the rest of the body. So before I do that, have you remembered to subscribe to my channel? Did you share with your family and friends? And also please like my episodes, and please let's grow together. There's a bell notification that will always alert you when we upload new videos. Please don't forget to click on that as well. So okay, let's go and start. These are only 2 ingredients that we need, and you guys, if you already seen my other episodes, you know I'm actually called Mama Aloe Vera. This is from my garden. I didn't buy this one this time around. It's still young. They're still growing. I grow a lot of aloe vera. I love aloe vera. I love aloe vera, guys. This one, if you have aloe vera, even you don't have to have a garden. You can just put in your pot, and it survives any weather. Trust me, aloe vera is the best. So I got this one, and then I got these 2 tiny ones. So what we gotta do is just what the precautions that you take when you're doing aloe vera. And remember, we don't throw anything. We don't throw anything that you cut from the kitchen, because there are so many other things that you can do. Even banana peel, soak it, and then 3 days down the line you can use it to water your plants, and it becomes like a very good fertilizer. So so let's remove the this spiky part of the aloe vera, and just put it on the side. Remember, I'm not throwing them away, I'm just putting on the side. So I have this 2 as well, still spiky. And this one last. Okay, I just like to cut my aloe vera in small cubes, so it's manageable. Let me put that aside. So on my previous episodes, you'll realize that you have different ways of trying to get your gel out of the to remove the skin, so you can get your gel. Some people cut it like that. Some people prefer to peel. Just refer to my previous videos. Whichever way is easier and quicker for you. There's no wrong when it comes to aloe vera. Just get the gel out. That's all we want. We need the gel. We need that. That's all we want, the gel. Remember, the aloe vera has some yellow liquid. I don't know what that is, but it's not good. It's poisonous. So what you need to do after you've cut it, soak it in water for 3 to 10 minutes. When you see your water, when you get the water, put water on your bowl, and you realize it's clear water. And then after you put the aloe vera, it becomes like yellowish in color. You know what I mean? So that you know that your poison has been sucked out. the poison that comes out of aloe vera is a yellow kind of liquid. I don't know what that is, to be honest. So the next thing I'm going to do is clean it. Sorry. So remember what I said, guys, we soak the aloe vera gel for 10 minutes. So I'll keep it in this water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I'll remove it and then we go on the next step. Okay guys, we've soaked our aloe vera for 10 minutes. Lovely gel. You can all see it looks so good. And wash it off. I mean, it's because of the video, it looks like it's a long process, but this is something you can do it in 1 minute. Especially when you are, you know, you really trying to work on your skin. Let me just put it into small pieces because we need to get the second ingredient, and that is coconut oil. And then if you want it better, you can also blend it, but for the sake of those people who don't have a blender, I'm doing this. So you blend it. Once you get that nice paste, you mix it with your coconut oil and then just use it overnight on your dark knuckles, dark knees, dark elbows, or dark butt. So any area that you feel like, you know, it's taking time to lighten up when you're doing your skin lightening. Or even if you're not doing any skin lightening, if you have these kind of dark areas in your body, you can also use it. These are home remedies. They are very safe, no chemicals. You can all see that. See that? If there's a way you can make it better, to make it like a paste, maybe press it more with a spoon. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is just add your coconut oil. You can see I have coconut oil here. I'll just put like 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So it depends on how much you want. There's no right or wrong. Just mix the ingredients, you know, just make sure you have enough of each. I'm one believer that you don't really have to say, oh, you know, I have to be accurate with how I measure my ingredients, unless it's medicine. But when it comes to home remedies, there's no right or wrong. Just mix them up. Mix them up, all of them, because they're natural, you know. There's no any chemicals in that. So after you've done that, like I said before, if you had blended it, it's easier. If you have a blender, please blend it. That's how it looks like now. I've just used a spoon and I've put coconut oil and aloe vera, and that's it. All you need to do is just use it on those areas, you know. That's it. That's it, guys. Aloe vera is so good to lighten those dark knuckles. Aloe vera is used in many ways. I'm sure you guys have watched my other videos on how you can use aloe vera or different ways of using aloe vera. Please, if you want to avoid going to see the doctor, make sure you have this plant in your pot, in your garden, because it has so many uses. So many uses. It's actually medicinal, home remedies and all that. So that's how it looks like. And then if you want, you can put on the plastic gloves for maybe 20 minutes before you go to bed, and then after that remove your plastic gloves and then just go to bed. See the way it looks, so it's so moisturized. And this is just coconut oil and aloe vera. That's it, guys. I hope today's episode has been helpful to somebody out there. Please share, like and comment. Let me know after you've used it and how it worked well for you. At least you need about 14 days to see some changes in your skin. Any home remedy, any natural ingredient, any natural thing that you're using at home, remember it takes time, and also it needs you to be consistent. Yeah, so use it for at least 14 days, which is 2 weeks, and then let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for today. See you on the next episode. God bless you guys.